On the new Rustico marketplace, this product from Damn Dog is called the RuckSack, and it's a rugged, awesome backpack built out of wax canvas. Damn Dog calls it swamp canvas. It has a nice lining on the inside, soft twill material. Let's go over what's on the inside first. Laptop sleeve, padded on both sides. Keep your laptop safe. Here we've got a water bottle pocket. These are high quality leather accents. You've got your cinch tie here that comes through brass rivets to cinch your bag down tight. All the stitching is heavily reinforced, especially on stress points. Little pocket into the lid of the backpack. Stash your granola bars. Hang or carry handle, so you have different options on how to carry it. So if you like this bag, make sure you sign up for our email list so that you don't miss any of the new products that we're updating weekly on our website at rustico.com.